Life is not a problem to be solved. It is a reality to be experienced. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and my dear guests. Today, I am going to share the story of my life with all of you. On the 6th November 1984, in Godson country, a cute baby girl was born to parents who were expecting a baby boy. That same girl is standing in front of you. My name is Siti. That's the first two letters of my name. My sister Sini and my brother Jim. When I was 4 years, my father passed away. My mother, who was a housewife till then, transformed herself into a brave woman and started taking care of family business. My beloved mother dedicated her whole life to. I studied in a government lower primary school, Kerala, fourth grade. I didn't like going to school on those days because I thought my mother will be alone at home. When I was in fourth grade, I got a cash prize of rupees 1,000 for the highest scoring student in my village. From fifth grade, I studied in St. Mary's Convent Girls in Udupi. I passed 10th grade with 84 percentage mark. I completed my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics from St. Lucia's College, Thrissur. During my graduation, I was taking the tuitions to financially support my family. While I was doing masters, my mother started to search a partner. One day, a young gentleman came to see me with his brother, and still I remember it was approximately 5 p.m. in the evening. Within a week's time, our marriage was fixed. On 13th November 2005, we got married. Bipin was working in Dubai, and I decided to stay back in India to finish my master's and BEd. After 2 years of marriage, I came to Dubai in 2006. On the 22nd of August 2008, we were blessed with our first little prince Navaneet, and 2 years later, we blessed with the second little prince Iman. Thanks to my mother and my mother-in-law, who were taking care of both my sons while I started my career. It was a very difficult time for me. But with the help of my loving husband, I overcame these difficulties. Even though I had done my BEd, my fate is in Pasig. I'm currently working as a logistic company as a senior sales support. Whenever I get free time, I started to spend with my kids and make them read books. I always wanted to improve my communication. Last year, my friend Rajalishmi, Toastmaster Rajalishmi, told me about New Start Toastmasters Club. So I decided to become a member. I'm looking forward to all the support from all of you on this new journey. Life is moving on happily with my family and my Toastmasters. I want to conclude my story with a quote of Abdul Kalam. Accept your past without regret and handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Thank you all.
Shall we give a standing ovation to the first timer?
Thank you, Toastmaster CG. That was a wonderful icebreaker speech. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Our next speaker, Toastmaster Shobha. I asked her, to give an introduction. Then she replied, she doesn't have much to say about herself, but definitely not a passionate Toastmaster. That's what they reply. But we know our dear Toastmaster Shobha, how passionate she is into Toastmastering. So when it comes to trust, she trusts all her close relatives, close family, and close friends. Toastmaster Shobha is attempting her level 4 project 3 in presentation mastery, managing a difficult audience.
Yeah, Rajalakshmi, what is this one? Timing.
Timing will be 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay, that is okay. Total fine.
15 minutes. So before the speech, I would like to invite Toastmaster Amita to explain the objectives of the speech. Toastmaster Amita.
Good evening, everybody. My target speaker, Toastmaster Shobha, will be